here is the Syon front lip. So as you can see, this is pretty much like a Tom's replica, but it's also different from the 3-piece lip that I had before, and which is usually on eBay around $100. My brother actually got me that like for my birthday, but then when it got smashed, I wanted a replacement, so I was looking at the TRD one, but then I was like, you know what, I really like this style, and I was gonna get it again, but I was like, I really, you know, the Tom's is different because the Tom's is a lot larger. So you can see here, it is a lot bigger, and I do scrape. And you know, the reason why I went with this lip, I mean, I really like it, and the price is almost about $300, so it's like $270 shipped from Amazon. But you get, you know, it's a solid piece. And I'm pretty happy with it. And the reason why I did the bolt up method using BTR Justin's video is basically the same as an HTS or HT auto front lip, but basically same process. You can watch BTR's you know, or BTR Justin's video on how to do it, you know, just taking the front bumper off, removing the bumper support, trimming it to fit, and then nuts and bolts. The reason I did that was because when this lip gets destroyed, when eventually it will, I'm going to be able to just get a new one, replacement, and unbolt it and bolt the new one up. So instead of having to reuse tap screws every time, and so this is on without double-sided tape. It's literally just bolted on, and you can see the fitment here. So this side is bent in a little bit. I did try to heat it up, but I mean, that's how it's gonna stay. So that's fine, it doesn't bother me, because like I said, the lip's gonna get destroyed anyways. But here's the fitment from the back. You can see here. You can see the gap there. That's what it looks like. So overall, the fitment is pretty good for a replica lip from Syon Auto, so I don't have any complaints. So this is just a quick close-up video of it, and you can buy it off Amazon, which is pretty cool. Of all places, Amazon has everything. But yeah, so that's the fitment on the side. So the passenger side looks a lot better than the driver's side as far as the fin goes, but I'm not worried about it because it's, like I said, it's going to get destroyed anyways. There you go. Anyways, hopefully this video helps. That's just a quick overview of this lip. Overall, very happy with it, and definitely great alternative to the Tom's. Tom's about $800. This is half the price, but I did get it painted too, so overall very happy with it. So hope this video helps. See you guys.